Alliance partners with communities to operate their water and sewer utilities. We make sure their water treatment facilities are providing good, clean water to the residents, and also make sure that their wastewater is treated properly so that it protects the environment. I would tell a prospective client that when they hire Alliance, they get more than they think they're going to get. After they hire us, the benefits that they see, that lower construction costs, lower costs related to regulatory compliance, the ability to comply with regulations simply and do it in a way that doesn't make their water and sewer rates skyrocket. Well, regulatory compliance is difficult for most communities because they don't necessarily have someone who's on staff and available to attend meetings for the Department of Natural Resources or the Department of Environmental Quality. We have people that attend those meetings regularly, so not only do we comply with what's in place now, but we also are able to consult with the regulatory agencies on how new rules might impact our clients. We get to know the people that are making the rules so that we can represent our clients' interests. Industry-wide, the water and sewer industry, having certified operators is a requirement that's really difficult to meet. Because of our commitment to training, when we take on new staff at a new client community, we typically hire their staff. And one of the most important things for us to do immediately is to train them on safety, train them on treatment processes. We want to give them a higher level training. And then ultimately, those people have opportunities to move to other Alliance locations. One key part of financial stability is not overspending. So when we're talking about capital projects, as we have engineers on staff that will review construction plans, as an example, to make sure that the project isn't overbuilt. One of the critical items that we find with our new client communities is that they haven't extensively planned. And so we look at what equipment might need to be replaced, what things could we change at the plant which would make it run more efficiently or less costly, and then we'll put together a 1-year and a 5-year capital improvement plan. Most people think of the water and sewer industry as a pretty low-tech industry, but really there's a lot of technology involved. To stay informed about technology, we attend professional organization events and conferences. We have close relationships with vendors that we use throughout our organization for key things related to technology and SCADA and so forth. So having those relationships helps us understand what technology is available, and then attending conferences and shows helps us understand what's coming next. So shared resources is a key part of what Alliance provides its clients. We have hundreds of operator licenses inside the company, and so when a problem comes up in one community, it's likely that we've seen it somewhere else. Some of the shared resources that we provide are not necessarily something that our clients will think about when they talk about water and sewer. If you're a small to medium-sized community, you may or may not be able to afford having an accountant on staff, or an engineer on staff, or an IT professional on staff. We have all those people, and so when you hire us, you get those folks as part of the deal. One of the things that I'm proud of working for Alliance is that I like working for a company that does it the right way. We don't look at water regulations and say, okay, how can we get away with this? If it's a financial rule, tax rule, we're not looking for a loophole. We're looking for a way to do it the right way. We're doing everything we can do to help our client and help them be successful.